Hello and welcome back to our channel. In the last video we talked about how you can download Wirex on your Android devices. And today we're gonna talk about how you can register on the app. Firstly, you're gonna have to start the app, and when you open your app you're gonna see something like this. After which you need to click on the register button on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you're gonna be taken to this page. Start by selecting your country, and then you have to enter your email address. This is a dummy email address which I will be using for this video. Following that, please enter in the password that you will remember. Remember, it has to be 8 digits or characters with one upper and lower case letters and at least one special character. Following which you need to tick or select the I agree terms and conditions along with other conditions to the app, and then it's completed. Well, following this, you need to confirm your email address through your email. Let me show you how it's done. You just need to wait for Wirex to email you to confirm your email. Once you get the email, just open up the email. Following this, your email address will be confirmed, and you can use and log in Wirex from now on. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to push the notification button.